Good afternoon and welcome back. So here we want to learn how to take a boy's measurement. Now we are making Agbada for him, a top, a trouser, and the main Agbada itself. So of course, you know where to measure the chest, the shoulder, sleeve length, round sleeve, neck, top length, the trouser waist measurement, the hip, the lap, the knee, ankle, the length of trouser, and of course the Agbada length. So also bear in mind that in taking their measurements, these children tend to grow fast. So you don't need to, tighten the tape. In most cases, they grow into the clothes, but not to make the clothes to be too big or too small. So the clothes should be a bit fitted on them. So you measure right round the chest in this form and make sure it gives them free, that is for fitting, right? Then make sure that it goes to the chest, to the tummy, and down somewhere here. So you take the chest in this form. The tape should not be too tight nor too big. It should be a bit close to the chest, to the body measurement. So after this, you do the shoulder. Now the shoulder will be measured from the back, just this way. You take the shoulder measurement in this form, and then you take the sleeve length. So sleeve length should as well be taken from that same point you ended on the shoulder. You measure from here. Take either short sleeve, 3/4, or long sleeve. You measure accordingly. After which, the next you will measure is the neck circumference. So you measure the neck all through this way, one finger being inside. After that, you take the round sleeve, the muzzle area, the elbow, and of course the wrist region. After which you take the top length. The top length should be somewhere here. Then now on kids outfits, most of the times they prefer to use rope on their waist or back elastic and front rope. So in this measurement, you don't need to measure the waist anymore. You are going to take only the hip measurement. The hip region should be of this nature, a bit free on the hip region. And then you measure the laps as well, just in this form. Measure the knee as well. And then you also measure the ankle this way. And lastly, you take the length of trouser from the waist region to the ankle bone here is the length of trouser. Then for the Agbada, you now decide on where you want this to reach. Now for Agbada needs only two measurements, the shoulder measurement and the length of the Agbada. So you take from the half back, from the back of the outfit this way, and then go all through this way. So whatever you get here, it times by 2 to get the full shoulder Agbada. And then here, you take the length of the Agbada to be somewhere on the knee region. So this is how you take a simple measurement for children, and then I will show you as well how to cut it and how to sew the outfit. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye-bye for now.